If you are learning or planning to learn software development in 2023, you might want to check this video. So today we're going to talk about how I would learn software development if it is 2023. So to give you a bit of background about myself, I'm a self-taught software developer who has 8 years of industrial experience. I have gone from zero to, now. So I started software development just after high school. I started learning PHP from a book called PHP and MySQL. And I further learned PHP from a book called Head First PHP. By this time, I started a professional qualification called BCS. Even though I have not finished BCS yet, I have learned good knowledge from BCS, including OOP concepts and database concepts. Throughout my entire career, I've been using all that knowledge to date. After some time learning PHP, I have created a small social media network inspired by the movie Social Network. With the help of that, I have landed my first job. Even though my first job was very boring, just accept user data from an interface and put them into a MySQL database, I had a lot of spare time to learn a lot of things. I've learned PHP frameworks, I've learned JavaScript, I've learned software development principles, and I've further learned database principles as well. With the help of the gained knowledge from the first job, I landed on my second job. There, I learned a lot about what does it mean to be a software developer. I learned to take responsibilities. I learned to work in a team. After a few years and few jobs, I changed my tech stack from PHP to JavaScript. Anyway, that is an old story. Now it is 2023. If I'm starting in 2023, I'd find an online course from a well-known platform about software engineering, and I'd focus to learn things like data structures and algorithms. And when I'm very thorough about software development principles, I choose a very simple programming language, something like JavaScript. With that way, I can learn easily and I can create things and enjoy what I'm learning as well. And I'd be creating a lot of side projects until I find a job. Once I landed on my first job, I might go back online and find for a backend masterclass, which includes a bit of DevOps as well. So when I learn that, I would be a solid software engineer. So that is the plan for 2023 if I'm learning new. With all that being said, if I can afford, I would invest in a degree program that will assure me that I get a certificate that I can show if I'm going abroad. So that's it for today's video. If you guys learn and enjoy, hit that like button. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.